Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what the term confirmed means on Vagaro. If you're not familiar with Vagaro, it's a popular appointment booking software used by businesses in a variety of industries. It allows businesses to manage their appointments, clients, and staff online. I've gotten a lot of questions about the term confirmed on Vagaro, so I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it. So, let's get started. What does confirmed mean on Vagaro? When an appointment is confirmed on Vagaro, it means that both the business and the client have accepted the appointment. The appointment is now considered to be booked and will show up on both the business's and the client's calendars. There are a few different ways to confirm an appointment on Vagaro. One way is for the business to manually confirm the appointment. Another way is for the client to confirm the appointment by clicking on the confirmation link in the email they receive from Vagaro. Why is it important to confirm appointments on Vagaro? Confirming appointments is important because it helps to ensure that both the business and the client are on the same page. It also helps to prevent missed appointments. How can I confirm an appointment on Vagaro? If you're a business, you can confirm appointments by going to your appointment calendar and clicking on the Confirm button next to the appointment you want to confirm. If you're a client, you can confirm appointments by clicking on the confirmation link in the email you receive from Vagaro. What happens if an appointment is not confirmed on Vagaro? If an appointment is not confirmed on Vagaro, it will not be considered to be booked. The appointment will not show up on either the business's or the client's calendars. How can I change or cancel a confirmed appointment on Vagaro? If you need to change or cancel a confirmed appointment on Vagaro, you can do so by going to your appointment calendar and clicking on the Cancel button next to the appointment you want to cancel. Additional tips. You can also confirm appointments on Vagaro by phone or text message. You can set up automatic confirmations for your appointments. You can customize the confirmation email that your clients receive. I hope this video has helped you to understand what the term confirmed means on Vagaro. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content.